Big ships need tugboats. Tugboats help big ships. Tugboats are not very big, but they are very strong. 2 or 3 tugboats work in a team to help big ships. Tugboats go out to meet big ships in the sea. They help big ships come in from the sea to the dock. Big ships take a long time to stop. Tugboats are so strong that they can help big ships to stop. A tugboat holds on to a big ship with strong ropes. Big ships need to stop close to the dock. Tugboats help big ships get close to the dock by bumping them with their soft pads. This stops the big ships from hitting the dock. Tugboats help big ships to leave the dock safely and go back out to sea. Tugboats tug a big ship out from the dock. The tugboats stop the big ship from hitting other big ships. Tugboats help big ships to go around things. The tugboats bump a big ship with their soft pads to stop the big ship from hitting things. When a big ship is out at sea, it can go on by itself. The tugboats go back to the dock to help other big ships. Big ships need tugboats to help them come in and out of the dock.